What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's doing well. So today I just received the computer I ordered, and this is going to be such a workhorse, such a machine, and I got some accessories to go with it just to make it a little bit more convenient when it's time to edit these videos. But yeah, let me show you what I got. Yeah, this is a lot of stuff. Let me get this stuff set up. And by the way, this is my old 13-inch 2015 MacBook Pro, the base model. So many videos, so many edits with very good specs, but not as much as what I needed to be able to continue putting all these videos. So yeah, the graphics just went out on me, and it was just time to update and upgrade and get something that I know is gonna work for my needs. All right, so a couple hours have passed. I'm actually watching the NBA. Oh yeah, it's back. But I finally got all the files transferred, all the software transferred to my new computer. And yeah, this is what I got. So I am all set up. Yes, I'm going to be editing tonight. I'll probably be editing this video first so you guys can see it, and then start doing all the videos I had just pending. The reason why I had to upgrade my computer and why it had to be a Mac, basically I already invested in all the software, which was all, you know, Mac based, like Logic and Final Cut and plugins that I had already bought for Logic, and also other plugins for Final Cut Pro that really just allow me to, you know, do it. So this is really going to help out my workflow. Yeah, I mean, I did a little speed test and it was crazy. I think it was 5 times faster on writing and over 2, almost 3 times faster in reading. So yeah, it's a beast of I'll put the specs here. The one that I actually got in particular, I got a 8-core i9 16-inch MacBook Pro with 64 gigabytes of RAM and the 55 AMD 8 gigabytes of graphics card. Yeah, if you're into that kind of techie stuff, you know, this is something that I think I was able to future-proof, you know, to make sure I won't run into these problems anymore. So yeah, a lot of the stuff was very data driven, very data heavy. I also edit pictures and stuff like that, so all that editing software is gonna really run a lot, like just a lot more smoother. I'm gonna miss my old Mac. My wife's gonna take that over, so I'm gonna wipe it clean, so she's gonna be able to have something to do her work on, and you know, whatever other project. She just can't really edit videos, but she wouldn't need that for that. Yeah, thank you guys again for being patient, understanding why I haven't been uploading. This is the major reason why I had to spec out a computer, literally to get this going, and I had to wait for it. It took a while. Apple was understanding, really sped up the process for me because they knew. So yeah, they were actually working with me with this. They were really helpful. The expected time was around the 12th of August. I got it. I was supposed to get it the 3rd of August, but they were able to send it to me by today, which is August 4th. So I think you guys are going to see this August 5th. And yeah, so it was an investment. So I have to actually really work and get all these videos out to make sure I could get a return on that investment. So yeah, I really do appreciate your patience and all the love and all the support that you guys continue to give this channel. All right, y'all. See you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm about to edit this thing.